Here are some backyard garden ideas involving plants and pots. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 90 Addiction. So if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscriber button for latest more interested videos. And also this video share to your friends. Create a container garden using pots of various sizes and shapes. You can mix different type of plants like flower, herbs or vegetables, create an interesting display. Utilize vertical space by hanging pots on walls using realized system of climbing plants like tomatoes, cucumbers. Plant herb like basil, rosemary, and mint pots and arrange them in a designed herb garden area. This not only adds greenery but also provides fresh herb for cooking. Create a low maintenance succulent garden using variety of succulent plants in decorative pots. Succulents thrive in sunny spots or perfect for adding texture and color of your backyard. Themed garden designing a themed garden using plants that complement each other in terms of color. Texture and shape. For example, the cloud create a butterfly garden with plants that attract butterflies or meditation garden with herbs like lavender or thyme. Welcome to our YouTube channel where you can explore, create and sustainable garden ideas. In today's video we are dividing into wild tag on planters and garden backyard ideas. Join us on we discover how to transform these everyday items to beautiful planters for your garden. So please like the video and click the subscribe button. Plastic bottle planters. Plastic bottle might seem like an unlikely material for plants, but they can be repurposed into stunning garden decoration. Here show material gathering plastic or bottles, various size or drill potting soil.